Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we're going to design this product launch website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is how it looks. We can see that this is the hero section of our website. We also have this hover effect for this image and for this button as well. And if you scroll down, we have other sections of the website over here. And we can see that this navbar over here is having this glass effect when we scroll down. And then we have these sections over here. We also have the hover effect for these cards. And then we have another section for the steps. And then we have another section for the testimonials. And then we have this section for getting the email ID of the visitor. And then we have an FAQ section where we have these accordions. And we have this animation for opening and closing these questions. And then we have the footer over here. And we also have a dark mode for this website. So we can click on this button. And now we can see that this website is in the dark mode. And here we can see that all the sections are in the dark mode. And this is also completely responsive. So if I decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. So here we can see that we have the correct layout for all these sections for the smaller screens as well. So this is what we're going to design in this tutorial series. Now, this was just a demo video of our website. From the next video, we will start writing the code for this website. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.